Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize notification settings on your Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to open settings. In the settings, we're going to go to notifications. And here we have app notifications, notification history, and of course the conversations, privacy, and much more. So we're going to start off from the top, app notifications. Here we can allow which app can send us notifications. So here we have the personal apps. Here, if you have private space, you can also turn it up. And here you can choose the most recent, most frequent, or all apps, for example. So if you don't want Android switch notifications, you can turn them off right here. We're going to leave and go to notification history. You can enable the notification history, so when somebody texts you and then deletes the message, you will still see it if you already got the notification. That's really useful if someone's texting you something important, but they decide to delete it and, for example, rephrase it, and the rephrase is even worse than the first message. You can see the first message here, and then you will understand everything. Here we have conversations. It is also as notifications, but they will be as a bubble right here. For example, if we click, we will open up the entire conversation from a bubble. Here we have the bubbles. As you guys can see, this will look like this. And now we got the notification, read, reply, and control. So we can choose which app is allowed to do it. You don't have a lot of choices here. So Android Auto is pretty normal, because if you connect your tablet to a car, then you want an option to read the notifications and control what's happening to them. Here we can set up the notification to the lock screen. So I use the second one. So it will be hide silent notifications and conversations. Also sensitive notifications. So you can allow the sensitive content when locked. Wouldn't recommend it, to be honest. Here you can skip the lock screen. So after unlocking, you can go directly to last used screen, but notifications won't show on the lock screen. Here we have the do not disturb, flash notifications, and for example, notification snoozing. So here we can enable it. As you guys can see, here we have it. We can click on it, and as you guys can see, these notifications cannot be modified, so you cannot really change it. But if you get any other notifications, you should be able to change them. Now here we have notification dot on app icon. You can disable it, and of course enhanced notifications, I would recommend using it, so you can get suggested replies. For example, if somebody texts you thank you, you can easily just click on no problem and send it. So that's how you guys can customize notification settings. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.